Uwian na mga paps. Let's go home. All good. Yeah. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. It's time to go home. Let's take a look if there's someone who's trying to book, or we're looking for kasabay. We're looking for kasabay. Hopefully makakuha ba tayo? Pag wala, it's okay, we're good. Yes. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Commonwealth, going to Batasan, going back home to Montalban. Alright, so yun lang, babo.